Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make our chicken meatballs. So I'm leaving a link here so that you can click on. After you have made your chicken meatballs, we're now going to put together our soup. So the soup is quite simple. We're going to roast some, whatever you want to roast. In my case, I'm roasting, I roasted some butternut squash, some cabbage, a cinnamon stick, some garlic, and some peppers. You can roast whatever you want. If you have carrots, you can roast carrots and whatever you want to put into your soup. So what I usually do is I roast my vegetables first. So I'll put some olive oil, I'll put some, in this case I put some dried oregano, some thyme, and a little bit of sea salt. If you want, you can add some black pepper at that point in time, and then you roast your vegetables. So this is now, after roasting, I've added it to my pot here, as you can see. And what I'm going to do now is add some chicken broth to it. Again, like I said, you can make this your own. So you can even roast some ginger, for example. I have done that as well, so I sort of mix it up. So here now I'm adding my chicken broth. Now I'm adding some carrot tops along with some parsley. Again, like I said, you can make this your own. So whatever herbs you want to add to your soup, you can do that. You're just going to leave this for a while to simmer, and then we're going to add our chicken meatballs to it. So here I'm adding the chicken meatballs, and again, after adding the chicken meatballs, you just leave that to simmer, not for long, because remember, everything is basically cooked. You just want to get an infusion of all the flavors combining together. Now if you have any leftover spaghetti, which I have here, you can add it to your soup as well. So this is I'm using a gluten-free spaghetti, but this is a fine way to use up your spaghetti that you may have. You just add it to your soup, and again, you just leave this to heat through and simmer for just a few minutes, and there you have it. Basically, your chicken meatball soup is all completed. If you also wanted to add a little extra, you could even add some egg to this. You can also check out one of my videos I did on an egg drop soup. I'll probably leave a link here for it. But yeah, so basically that's your chicken meatball soup.